All right, so we get some questions about our mesh cover recommendations. We recommend that you use, for best results, you use a mesh cover with the PoolTree system. The reason being is that mesh covers are porous, so they allow water to drain through while keeping light and debris out of the pool. So that's what makes this system work. It stays up off the water like this, eventually drains. A lot of people think a mesh cover is like a leaf net, but it's not. It's a really densely woven material, so it looks solid, looks like a normal solid cover, but eventually water drains through it, and that's why this system works so well. It holds the cover up so it drains, and then it dries off like this and just blows around. Leaves blow right off of it. So you can see this section over here sits on the water once in a while. If you pull it, or if the wind blows it around, the water goes through it eventually. So this is a mesh cover. Not everybody's familiar with them. They are available at most pool stores and through our website. So porous cover, really dense, you can't see through it, but water eventually will go through it, as opposed to solid cover. This one over here. This is what happens with a solid cover. Holds water, holds leaves. That's how a lot of people close their pools. So just some clarification between the two types.